afternoon, and welcome to Harding Forklift. Today we're test driving in preparation for delivery this brand new Yale ERP040 3,000 pound pneumatic tire electric forklift. I'm just going to highlight a few things for you so you can know why the Yale is better than other forklift trucks on the market. From the front to back. First of all, we almost always use, when ordering with a side shift, the Yale factory-built integral side shift on these forklifts. The integral side shift moves the load an extra inch or two closer to the center of gravity in the truck. Now, what does that mean? That means instead of a net capacity of 2,700 pounds or 2,600 pounds, this truck has a net capacity of 2,850 to its full height of lift. Another big difference between Yale forklifts and other forklifts on the market, and I believe we're exclusive with this, is the 3-degree canted mast bearings. This makes a huge difference when you're lifting heavy weights to high heights. It allows the bearings to not just sit with their faces on the other mast components, but actually at a slight angle. And so they take up the side thrust forces and the side torque much better than other mast designs. So when you're at height, the mast doesn't sway nearly as much. And it also provides better long-term wear, so you have to change the bearings less often. Moving around the forklift, we have a very large open operator's compartment, and these electrics come with seat side direction control. So on the hydraulic levers, which are also conveniently located seat side, the forward and reverse is in a little switch right here. So your hands never leave the hydraulic controls. Our start and stop and other controls for speed and programming is all done here in the heads-up dash, nicely protected from any damage up here. And of course, the main feature of this electric forklift is the fact that it's a drop battery box 3-wheel design. That means the battery, instead of sitting here, and on a traditional forklift design, the battery would be actually right about here, and the seat sitting on top of it. You can see here the seat is much lower down because the battery is actually here. That moves the drivetrain components to the front of the truck and the steer axle components in the back of the truck, and the rest of the truck is all battery, which does create a further forward and lower center of gravity than you get on a traditional electric 4-wheel design. And that gives you better net capacity and way better stability, especially at height. Now, this 3-wheeler is built with 2 inboard steer tires. Move around there and see that. We actually build this model with optional outboard steer tires, but the engineering, the math, the trigonometry, whatever you want to call it, works better with the 3-wheel design. You actually have less components to repair, and because the load, the triangle of stability on the forklift is pushed back and longer, you have less chance of rollover with a 3-wheeler than with a 4-wheeler. The only reason we build the 4-wheeler is for people who have resistance to 3-wheel designs for whatever perception. This is a brand new Yale ERP040 3,000 pound electric lift truck, and it's what we're selling at Harding Forklift today.